हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का व्लॉग काफ़ी ख़ास है क्योंकि मैं लेके जा रही हूँ एक दूसरी दुनिया में एंड यू विल बी थिंकिंग कि वो कौन सी दुनिया है। तो लेट्स टेक यू ऑल और ज़्यादा सस्पेंस नहीं रखते हैं और आप सबको लेके चलते हैं द वर्ल्ड विच आई वांटेड टू शो यू। This place is located in the middle of the Dubai and this is known as the Global Village. So here we are getting these three flags because it's officially now open, the Global Village. Amrita, are you excited? You're gonna explore Global Village? Like you're gonna find the whole world here. So this is the India Pavilion. अच्छा, वैसे तो पाकिस्तानीज़ कैन नॉट इंटर इंडिया, तो ऑफ कोर्स हम यहीं पे जाके थोड़ा सा फील कर सकते हैं कि मे बी हमें बग़ैर वीज़ा अप्लाई किए हुए हम इंडिया में घुस चुके हैं। बट डेफिनेटली नॉट व्हाट मीडिया शोज़ के भाई हंगामे हो रहे हैं, बॉम्ब धमाके हो रहे हैं। नो नो, वी ऑलवेज प्रेफर पीस एंड एज पाकिस्तानी वी लव इंडियंस एंड इन दुबई देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट व्हाट मीडिया शोज़। सो या, आई एम इन सपोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ऑलवेज एज बीइंग अ पाकिस्तानी and we are not, we all, I think we are peace lovers. अच्छा, so anywhere I take you all, आप यहाँ पे एक चीज़ देखेंगे कि इंडिया से जुड़ी हुई हर चीज़ आपको मिलेगी, लाइक कपड़े, खाने, बैग्स, ज्वेलरीज। इंडियन ज्वेलरीज आर सो फेमस, काफ़ी ट्रेडिशनल होती हैं। सो यू विल फाइंड एवरीथिंग इन द स्मॉल पेविलियंस ऑफ एवरी स्टेट. Place has 90 cultures in one place and look at each pavilion they have named as Saudi Arabia. Then this is Al Maghrib, that's Morocco, and then after Morocco there is Egypt. So they have designed and planned and segregated each pavilion in a way you will find a lot of shops for shopping, food related to their own culture. So we are into Turkish pavilion and you can see the Turkish vibe, and Turkish is very famous for their crockeries. They have such an antique way of, this is very good in 5 dirhams. These are katoras. I actually bought it for my house. मुझे इतना चिल्ला के बोलना पड़ रहा है because यहाँ पे Turkish music लगा हुआ है. I don't know if you can hear me out, but definitely you can enjoy the view. So being a Pakistani, how is it possible कि हम Global Village आएँ and we don't go to Pakistan? And Pakistan is just beside the Turkish pavilion. तो वाकई Pakistan and Turkeys are like भाई भाई. Here is the Pakistani famous chart. And now we have Pani Puri. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. So guys, this is Pakistan and Pakistan is so famous for their buses, trucks and rickshaws, and this is their food place. We're going to have so here I'm going to show you the kids theater. So there is nothing happening, but यहाँ पे शायद कोई shows होते हैं and kids can sit here and they can enjoy. Nice place for the families, for the kids. और यहाँ पे जगह जगह पे खाने की चीज़ें हैं. You enjoy eating with family. Everyone is spending time, a quality time, और enjoy कर रहे हैं. And it's not too expensive, the ticket. The entry ticket is not expensive, but of course everything is paid here inside. So this is the street food. This is the whole line of street food. And then you will see a lot of Fast Life Ultimate Challenge, games. So this is the whole night view of Global Village. मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था थोड़ा सा रोशनी में और अब मैं दिखा रही हूँ. You can see the sky. This is the time just right after Maghrib and you can see moon. MashaAllah, Subhanallah. And now we are going to Syria. The good thing about Global Village is that they have actually given the public, sittings. We can sit, we can rest, we can enjoy the view like this. I mean, I think the night view is much nicer than the day view. It starts at 4 and then it ends at 10. So they have America, Europe and Korea. And this is the area where you can play games, you can have swings, झूले हैं, बहुत कुछ है. And then they have this thing new which is Exoplanet City. I think to get into this we need a ticket for it. And then this is the stage show which is happening. So you can just see how big is this Global Village. and every state, I mean every country of this whole world has been infrastructure layouts, everything is similar to, you know, related to the place, so you can feel it. मतलब